Well, first of all, congratulations to Nymburk for a good game.
Sveikinu Nymburko komandą su geromis rungtynėmis.
They play better than in the last couple of weeks.
Jie žaidė geriau negu per
For us, it's a tough opponent because of their formation.
Tai mums buvo nelengvas varžovas dėl jų sudėties.
But we won, and for that I gotta be satisfied.
Bet mes laimėjome ir su tuo patenkintas.
Of course, there's things that we'll work on. We'll be better with time, so it will come.
Yra dar ką tobulinti, bet su laiku tas bus padaryta.
If you have questions, I'll try to answer.
Jeigu turit klausimų,
Hello, Karolis Jachimavičius. What is to be made better? What do you want to make better?
What do you mean?
You said there are things to be made better.
Yeah, focus.
Ką jūs norėtumėte, kad būtų geriau, tai labiau požiūris, susitelkimas.
Focus. No, I mean, listen, Nymburk is a team who is built to score more than an opponent, not to defend.
Nymburkas yra tokia komanda, kuri sukurta įmesti daugiau negu varžovai, o ne apsiginti.
So, absolutely no lack of focus. They will punish you.
Ir jeigu komanda nebus pakankamai susigaupusi, tai jie nubaus.
And if you work on something, and for some reason, some of the players don't follow that, I'm not satisfied. That's a lack of focus. If they do that for like 6 times of 8, and those 2 times they fail, I just want to know why they failed. That's all.
Ir jeigu žaidėjams yra pasakyta vieną daryti, o jie to neatlieka kelis kartus iš eilės, tai dėl to aš nesu patenkintas, kad tai yra būtent koncentracijos susitelkimo trūkumas.
And obviously we are waiting for Rasic. That's so clear. So today he was good in offense, and he will be better with time.
Mes laukėme Račiaus, kai jis grįžtų, šiandien jis grįžo, žaidė neblogai puolime ir tikimės toliau žaisti.
O toks prastas baudų pataikymas irgi koncentracija?
We can't tell about free throws, it's lack of concentration.
Well, listen, some games we shoot well, some games we don't shoot that good. Last game we played, we were shooting well. This game, again, I'm not satisfied, obviously. 12, 21, it's not something that it's acceptable. But, it's from the day to day. The funny thing is that we are practicing so much free throws, like a lot. So we'll keep on doing that. We'll stop missing.
Iš tikrųjų, mes labai daug treniruotėse skiriam dėmesio baudų metimam ir taip šiandien buvo prasta diena, 12-21 tik, bet praėjusios rungtynėse mes pataikėm ir tai manau, kad tai nėra dėsningumas, nepataikymai ir tikimės, kad ištaisyti šitą.
That's also sometimes focus, concentration.
Ir taipogi čia irgi lemia nusiteikimas, susikaupimas.
How serious is Newell's injury?
Well, it wasn't a foul. I don't know, he'll have MRI today, so I hope it's not serious. I mean, he's just jinx. First some kind of virus, then this injury. I don't know. I hope he'll be good.
Čia toks kaip ir nesėkmių ruože atsidūręs. Ir pradžioje susirgo, po to trauma ir tikiuosi, kad atsigaus.
When did it happen?
The last game before this one, at the start, he almost broke the leg. I mean, we are lucky that he didn't break the leg.